In today's video, I will show you how to resize rows and column size in Google Spreadsheet or Google Sheet. First, open your Google Chrome browser, then just open your Google Spreadsheet or Google Sheet from your browser, then create a spreadsheet format document and change each and every rows and column size one by one. Now, the question is how we can fix this. So, select all the rows and columns together by clicking on mouse and pressing Ctrl button from your keyboard. And click on the resize the selected columns, change the value and see the change. And now in the same method, click and select all the rows and now click on the number 1 and click on the resize the selected rows and click on OK. Now see the change. So I hope you understood this video and thank you for watching our video.